Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn the chapter models. So, what is model? Models are the special verbs that express different meanings such as permission, possibility, ability, necessity, certainty, and obligation. So, models are the verbs which are going to show all these type of meanings such as permission, possibility, ability. Ability means something that you can do. Necessity means that is something very important. Certainty means something that is certain, and obligation means something that you are compelled. Okay, just take that chart down, read it out, and just learn them. So we are going to start. First one is can, could, be, able to, which are going to be used for ability. So can is used to show things that one is able to do. Can means a person who is going to show the power is going to use can. Look at the example. Avri can compose music. So here Avri is able to compose the music. She has the power that she can do it. She has the ability to just compose music. Look at the could. Could is used for someone's ability in past. So if we are going to talk about the same sentence in past, we will use could in the place of can. Look at the next example. My father could climb a tree when he was young. So look at this example. If it was in present, we have used look at the sentence. Uh, Read out the example. My father could climb a tree when he was young. In this example, we have been talking in past, so that's why we are using could in the place of can. Get to the next point. Be able to. This is used to show ability and it can be used in any tense. So it is also used for showing the ability, and that can be used in each type of tenses. Example, I was able to reach the station on time. That is in past. Look at the present example. I am able to read French. Okay, so there's no problem. May, might, could, those are going to be used for possibility. They are may is used to show bright possibility. Example, it is cloudy outside, it may rain. So may is going to show the powerful or a possibility that has more chances. Look at the example. It is cloudy outside, it may rain. So in this example, we have been told that if it is cloudy outside, it is going to rain, it has more chances. Might, it is used to show weak possibility. So might is going to be used for weak possibility. It is clear today, it might rain. So in this sentence, we have been told that there is a far possibility that there's no cloud in the sky, but there are chances, less chances, but it might rain. Could is used to show weaker possibility. Could is used to show weaker possibility. So here could is going to be used for weaker possibility or more chances that is not going to be done. If you don't hurry, you could be late. Means or least possibility that if you don't hurry, you could be late. Must be there are too much time for being ready. That's why the sentence is using could in the place of may or might.